Hello, how are you all? Welcome to the channel. Today we will continue with our Unreal Learning series. In this lecture, we will learn how to navigate viewport, set up and save a new map in the new project. We also create our first room with door using box brushes, add material to texture walls, floor, and learn to place static object to enhance the look of the room. So before I start, I want to mention you something very important, that is to set up your project as a default map. You can have several maps linked in this project and load them at a specific point in the game. So go to the edit menu, project setting. This opens up a page with configuration value of projects. So go to the games and map and modes, look down. This is called a default map. Then change both game default map and editor default map that you have just saved file. So for now, when you start the Unreal editor and run the next time, your this new map will be loaded by default. So this is very important. So let's continue with our project. So as you can see, this is our viewport, and now I am going to add some material to the ground. So let's here go down to the content browser, content, state content, select materials, and here you can type your wood or type wood into the filter box, and here it is. Click and hold the material into the ground box on the top of the surface. This will add material on the ground. Now similarly we are going to create a 4 walls. So add a walls like into the geometry, then go to the box and simple drag and drop. Set a particular dimensions of wall, x 30, y 620, z 280, and you can simply duplicate it by alt plus shift plus arrow where you want to be duplicate the wall in x direction or y direction or whenever you want. So as we created all the 4 walls, the room is now almost complete. We will learn how to curve into the box brush to create an opening the door. Now again drag a box with a specific dimension. To create an opening in the wall, we will create another box brush using the subtractive mode. Be careful about this. We are using here a subtractive mode. Make sure you have select wall and drag and drop box brush in the same manner as before into the viewport. To have this position the subtract box, you can switch to the front view to place the door more or less in the center. Adjust the door according to you. Now again adding material to the wall, same as before, go content, starter content, material, type or search walls. Now you can take a look at how the level looks in the unlit mode after applying the material mentioned previously. So this is cool, na? Now I'm going to add some meshes or some external content into the room, such as chair, light, and more object things to decorate or enhance the look of our room. So it is called adding probes or a static mesh to the room. Let's now add some objects to the empty room. Go to the content browser, content, starter content, probes, and find the lamps, chairs, and all. Here as we want to use the ceiling lamp as a floor lamp, so we will need to rotate the lamp into x-axis by 180 degree, sorry, using relative mode. Be careful about this, guys. We are using a relative modes. Relative modes means the lamp will rotate about its own axis, not world axis. So here I have built the light and changed the view mode to a lit mode. Feel free to position the lamp anywhere you want. Now here it is. We are almost complete. Here we are adding one more thing. Adding light mask important volume. As our room only takes up a small portion of the map, so we can concentrate light on the small region by adding an item known as light mass important volume to the map. The bounded box of light mass tells the engine where the light is needed in the map. So it should surround the entire area of the map that has objects. Drag and drop into the map so its value like a wired cube. So you will need to scale it by the press R and it will fill your room. So guys, our room is almost complete. Here you would have noticed that a door, now it's just a hole in the wall. So to make it look like a door, we need to add some door frame or a specific door in the our content menu. So go to the content, starter content, probes, write down the door into the viewport and adjust the shape and size according to the view. We will continue with our series, so stay with me, connect with me and subscribe the channel. See you tomorrow. Take care.